Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Cramer's V. To test whether there is an association between two categorical variables, the Cramer's V test would be appropriate. You will need two categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Question number 2 regarding movie era has two nominal values and is also categorical. These will be the two variables we will use for our demonstration. To run the Cramer's V test in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. As you can see, we have met our significance criteria for the Cramer's V test for association between gender and era of movie. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the p-value significance figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with the reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.